For today's SFX tutorial, I'm going to be transforming myself into the devil. I've been wanting to do this for quite a while now, and I'm very excited. But before we begin, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one. So without further ado, let's get started. So firstly, take a pencil liner and draw a line around a quarter of your face. So this part of your face is going to be the devil, and the rest is just going to stay normal. So next, glue some pieces of toilet paper on the line with lash adhesive, and just glue one piece at a time. You can use liquid latex for this part, but if you're allergic to latex like me, then use the method that I'm showing you. So after you've finished covering up the line, next you want to blend it into your face using your skin tone shade of foundation. So what you need to do is squirt a little bit of the foundation on the paper and then use a beauty sponge and blend it in. And just so you know, the foundation doesn't have to 100% match your skin tone, but if it's close enough, that's okay. Next, take a red shade of eyeshadow on a big fluffy brush and put it all over that quarter of your face lightly. So after you're done adding the red, next go in with a smaller brush and add some dark black on the edges and then some purple to show bruising. Next, add some black eyeshadow all over the eyelid and into the crease. And then add your favorite mascara. Now it's time for the fun part, the fake blood. So take a Q-tip and place little blobs of the blood on your face to create small drips on the edges. And now the final step of the makeup portion is to put some red lipstick on. And here's the completed devil look. Yay! Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one. I love you all so much, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye!